Hi friends, welcome to SriSai IT Hub. In this video of Core Java Programming, we are going to discuss the following topic: TreeSet class with generic collections in Java Collections Framework. So first of all, we'll understand what is collection framework in Java. So Java collections means collection of objects or group of objects as a single unit or single object in Java program. Then what is framework? So framework means it is a library which is provided by Java to work with Java collection of objects. And this library is available to us in the form of java.util package. So here in Java collections framework, we have collection interface, which is a top level interface or base interface for different classes and interfaces which are available in Java collections framework. So under this collection interface, we have four popular collections. First one, list collection, second one, set collection, and third one, queue collection. So these three are inherited from collection interface. They are sub interfaces. And fourth one, map interface, which is not inherited from collection interface, but still it is part of Java collections framework. So coming to Java collections, it is only for objects but not primitive data types. If we add any primitive data type value, internally it will be stored in the form of corresponding object. Hence, in collections framework, every data is stored as object itself. And to be more precise, it is stored as object class object format, where object class is a super class for all the classes in Java collections as well as Java programming. So now coming to the concept of TreeSet class with generic collections. So first of all, TreeSet class is available in java.util package, and TreeSet class is inherited from navigable set. Navigable set is inherited from sorted set, which is inherited from set interface, and which is inherited from collection interface, and collection interface is inherited from iterable interface. Right, so in iterable interface, we have iterator method, which returns iterator cursor, using which we can access elements of a TreeSet collection linearly from first to last. So if we see the description of the TreeSet class, it goes like this. Open the command prompt and issue the command java p-p java.util.treeset. So coming to TreeSets. So TreeSet, it is inherited from navigable set, which in turn is inherited from sorted set, and collection interfaces. All these are interfaces. It is clonable as well as serializable, so we can use clone method, serialization and deserialization process. Right, now coming to some technical points related to the TreeSet class. So it is a collection of objects which stores data as binary tree data structure, and internally it maintains the order of objects. The default order is ascending order, and this order can also be changed. It can be changed later. And then default capacity is 0. It does not have indexes to the collection of objects. It does not accept duplicate objects, and order of objects is not preserved in TreeSet because the default order is ascending order. So coming to the constructors and methods, right? So if we see the description, java.util.treeset. So this is a default constructor with initial capacity of 0, and then we are going to use add e. So here e indicates generic data type. So it specifies which type of data need to be stored in the TreeSet collection. So using add method, we can add the elements into the collection, and using iterator. So iterator method, which returns iterator cursor and its methods, we can access object of TreeSet collection linearly from first to last using its methods. And we can also use other methods like first element, last elements, which returns that particular type of element. So no need to do downcasting. Right, so let us try to work with these methods. So coming to iterator cursor, it is available in java.util package. So in iterator cursor, we have has next, which will check for the existence of next element in tree set, and next it will access the next element from the tree set collection. Right. So coming to generic collections for tree set. So generics collections concept was introduced in JDK 1.5. So using this feature, it allows us to store a collection of objects specifically as per their data type. Internally, it will be stored in corresponding object type. So now it is done with the help of generic data types or parameterized data types. So when we are creating the object of a collection class, we specify which type of data need to be stored using diamond operator. So by default, all collections and interfaces which are available in Java collections framework are generic collections compatible. Right. So when we see the description of the TreeSet class, so E indicates their generic data type, which is supposed to be passed when we are creating its object. Example, TreeSet, I want to store only integers. TS is equals to new TreeSet. So generic data type we have to pass using diamond operator. So when we store the data, ts.add of 10, 20. So these are valid because JVM will check for integer and stores that in the TreeSet collection. So if we add string Java, then we'll get an error. And when we try to access them, no need to perform any typecasting or downcasting. So for example, if you're trying to access the elements of a TreeSet collection using iterator cursor II, so II.next, no need to perform downcasting. Directly we can store that in X of type integer variable and use that in the program. So the main advantage of generic collections is checked collection. It will check specific type of data and store that in the collection. And Typesafe collection. No need to perform downcasting or typecasting when we try to access them from the collection. And one more advantage is whenever we are storing the data in generic collections, auto boxing is done. And whenever we are accessing the data from generic collection, auto unboxing is done automatically by JVM. So let us try to demonstrate this with a small program. TreeSet class example 8.java. Right, so take a new page. So first we'll write the collection comment, program to demo, TreeSet class with generic collections, import java.util package. So take the main class with main method and save the program in our working directory. So create an object of TreeSet class, pass generic parameter integer using diamond operator, object reference ts is equals to new TreeSet integer. Next, so into the tree set we are adding 55, 11, 44, 33, 22. So JVM will uncheck and stores that as and stores only integer. So if we add Java, we'll get an error. So print tree set. So we'll execute till here. So let us put a comment for the remaining case. Right. So save this program. Come to the command prompt. Compile the program. TreeSet class example 8.java. Right, and run it. So 11, 22, 33, 44, 55. Right, so default order in a tree set is ascending order. So next we'll try to access this all objects of a tree set without downcasting using iterator cursor. So iterator cursor of type integer II is equals to, so we are calling iterator method on TreeSet whose return type is iterator cursor. So check II.hasNext, check for the existence of next element in a TreeSet collection. If it is available, access or get that element using II.next. No need to perform any downcasting. Store it in integer variable X and print X. So it will print all the elements from first to last. Save, recompile and run. So 11, 22, 33, 44, 55. So next let us try to access the beginning element and the last element using first method. and last method. So ts dot first, no need to perform downcasting. We can directly store it in A and print A. Similarly, TreeSet dot last element, no need to perform downcasting, store it in B and print B. So save this, recompile and run. So the first element is 11 and the last element is 55. So this is how we are supposed to work with TreeSet class with generic collections in Java collections framework. Thank you for watching this video. Do like, comment and share this video, and also subscribe to the YouTube channel Sri Sai IT Hub. Have a nice day.